So the nail gun, after the first test, it's a little bit powerful. I need to soften it up a little bit, adjust it. Let's see. My first test, the nail went pretty far in, splintered the wood, and yeah, that's not gonna work. So back to YouTube, and I saw that if I open this up and take off some screws, then I should be good to go. So this comes off, and this comes off, and according to the videos I saw, these screws here are the one that gives it tension. So if I take off that one, maybe that one, it should be a little bit softer. So I'm going to start with 2 screws and see if that will soften the blow a little bit. God damn it. This for me?
Mommy, she's scared. Mommy, she's sleeping.
Yeah, that is hanging this on the wall.
Okay.
Okay?
But I just hear it.
Now it's not scary.
I just hear that one.
Yeah, it's just a little bang. It's like fireworks.
Why are you not getting with Mommy?
Huh?
Why are you getting with Mommy?
Because Mommy doesn't want to help Daddy when he's trying to fix our home. That's okay.
I just hear you.
Huh?
I just hear you in my bed. I just hear.
Yeah. One more bang. Hold your ears.
Why Mommy? Wait.
Hold your ears.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Let's go back. If that helps.
And finish, and then,
And then.
wait.
And then I try to attach it again.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Daddy, what is that?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver?
Mm-hmm.
Why is it taking long now?
I don't know.
We want to go on that one. Driver.
Okay, so what I did now is I put back one of the screws here
Yeah.
to give it a little bit more tension. Well, now it's only one screw out. We put it back there, there. And let's see if this
I
works.
killed the ant.
You killed the ant, very good.
It's a
Okay, go there and hold your ears. Okay?
Just wait for me.
I'll wait for you.
I cover my ears now.
Okay, cover your ears. Ooh. So let's get this in level first.
Here you go. Here we go.
That should be almost level. There. Let's see if this. Hold your ears.
Okay. There's more or no?
I don't know what happened now.
You want more? You want more? I'll help you. I'll help you.
Help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just cover my ears down like that. And then
Huh?
toys.
What kind of pink toys?
Pink unicorn toys and all the toys. All the toys
Yeah,
for me.
I know you want all the toys.
I like pink because it's my favorite. And my goods is color pink.
Oh no.
And Nadia, we come here in my house because in my house and there's a lot of toys and there's a lot of Nadia.
Yeah.
I mean, Nadia, Mama, Tata, Ben.
Yeah.
Me and Mommy help me.
I thought we will come back.
Hmm?
I thought we will come back.
I'll come back tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow, but soon.
Soon?
Soon.
Okay. At night time and we sleep in the bus.
Huh?
Daddy, we sleep in the bus.
Yeah, because the bus ride is so long.
We sleep in the bus because she's very tired.
Yeah,
Because she's sleepy.
very sleepy.
Yeah. And first she did tell to Mama Tata, and she tell to Mama Tata, I drawing. First she did drawing. First
Drawing.
she did
What about that one?
Oh, mommy or daddy?
What?
It's you or mommy?
What do you mean? Me or
It's
mommy?
mommy or you?
I make this one.
Look up, there's a lot from here.
Okay, go over there and hold your ears, okay?
There.
Thank you.
You know already how to fix?
Hold your ears. Are you holding your ears?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Bruce.
Hold on. Finish now.
Okay.
Hold on. Finish now.
Finish.
Finish. Goodbye, glasses. Okay. So why is it?
Now we can choose that one
Yeah.
or that one.
Just put it by the side of the table, please.
This side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Another.
So, this thing comes apart. This little thing gets stuck inside here, and there's one part left in the on the nail. That's why it didn't fire off the second time. Pretty cool.
And outside. After you.
And that was with 2 screws out, and this one.
And then.
So now my homemade wine rack is hanging. Pretty cool. But I see now I have to start removing rust. When you live in the province and it's the humidity is almost 100% all the time, raining a lot, the tools look like this.
There's more that one.
Girl, what do you think? Cool? The wine rack. That is wine rack. It's hanging now. Is it cool or not?
It's good.
It's very cool. Now I just need some wine. Wine bottles.
What bottle?
Yeah. What do you think we're having on the wine rack?
It's yes.
Huh?
Yes.
No. Wine bottles. We will find some wine bottles in the supermarket and oh yeah.
I will show you and I will show you.
Nail gun. Cool. Some quality wine from the Philippines. Ooh.
Mommy got for you. Bye. I like that one.
Maria Clara Sangeria.
You like this one?
No, that is plunk. But I think your mom likes it. Wow. Look at that. Oh, I have to find some more.
Mommy buy for you that one. Mommy buy that one.